Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. I am your science teacher for class 4. This is week 17. This is the revision of that topic which we have already studied in OSP round 1. You need textbook which is Smart Science Skill 4 textbook. Page number are 41 till 48. Chapter is Heat and Temperature. Lesson or topic, what is the heat and what is temperature. Resources required, textbook, Smart Science Skills 4 and internet connection. Introduction or summary of the lesson is, heat is a form of energy. Anything that produces heat is a source of heat. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold an object is. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. Thought of the day. A spark of kindness starts a fire of love, which means your small act of kindness can spark someone's day. Objectives. Today students will learn about heat and its sources and uses. We will also learn what is temperature and how we can measure it. So what is heat? When a hot object or a cold object comes in contact with each other, a type of energy flows from a hot object to the colder one. This energy is called heat energy. So heat is basically a form of energy. There are different sources. There is a natural source of heat as well and man-made as well. What is the meaning of source? Anything that produces heat is a source of heat. Sun is the most important natural source of heat on planet Earth. Other sources include fire, lamp, which means electricity, stoves, or friction. Friction means when we rub two things together. When you rub both your hands together, the friction is produced and as a result, you feel the heat or warmness in your hands. These are the example of other sources through which heat can be produced. Uses of heat. How we can use heat in our daily lives. Heat can be used in drying clothes. It can keep us warm in winter. We use heat in cooking and for preserving food as well. But it is harmful for us because it can burn or we can burn by the fire. Temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold an object is as compared to the another object. When we are comparing two objects, we can compare by their temperature that what object is hot and which object is cold. It indicates that heat flows from the hot with a higher temperature to the object with a lower temperature. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Temperature scales. There are three scales to measure the temperature: Celsius scale, number 2 Fahrenheit scale, and number 3 Kelvin scale. Celsius scale is the most common scale and it is divided into 100 parts from a freezing point of water, which is 0 degrees Celsius, to the boiling point of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Number second scale is Fahrenheit scale, which is used in English speaking countries. The freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the boiling point is 212 Fahrenheit. Number third is Kelvin scale, which is used by the scientists. Normally we only use the Celsius scales in our daily life. Kelvin scale is used by the scientists in the laboratory or in the research purposes. The freezing point of water in Kelvin scale is 273 Kelvin and the boiling point is 373 Kelvin. Now what is absolute zero? Basically you can see the three scales: Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin. At 0 degrees Celsius, the water freezes. On the Fahrenheit scale will be 32 degree Fahrenheit and on the Kelvin scale it will be 273 Kelvin. So these three are the different scales indicating different temperatures. Measuring temperature. How we can measure the temperature? We can understand if any object is hot or cold by the sense of touch. However, it can trick us sometimes. Therefore, we use a thermometer. A thermometer is an instrument that is used to measure the temperature accurately. As you can see in the picture as well, and I hope you have already seen the thermometer as well. It is used to measure the temperature accurately. It gives us the actual numbers. It is made up of a glass tube of uniform thickness. The glass tube contains a bulb at the one end as you can see in the picture, which is filled with the mercury, which is a colored liquid. The mercury level in the thermometer rises up in the thread-like portion of the thermometer, which therefore indicates the temperature of the body or any of the object. When the temperature rises, the level of mercury rises, and when the temperature falls or decreases, the level of mercury decreases. Types of thermometer. There are different types of thermometer. Nowadays, the digital thermometers are used to measure body temperature. It is a safer device because it does not contain mercury, which is a toxic substance. The laboratory thermometer, second type, is used to find out the temperature of the other objects such as water rather than human body temperature. It can measure the temperature from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Next is wall thermometer. Wall thermometers are used to measure the temperature of the surrounding. We can place this wall thermometer on the wall to measure the temperature of the surrounding. But did you know that digital thermometers are also used in the restaurant to measure the specific temperature of the food? Yes, especially in baking, because they want the accurate temperature of that object or of that food. They need a thermometer to maintain the temperature. That's why they use the digital thermometer in the cooking or baking purposes. Have you seen this thermometer? What is the name of this thermometer? This is infrared thermometer. Yes, in this situation, in this COVID situation, these thermometers are frequently used, and we have seen this thermometer in our daily basis. Comparing heat and temperature, we have already discussed before that heat and temperature both are the different things. Let's take a recap on the difference between heat and temperature. As we all know, heat is a form of energy, but temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Heat is measured in joules and temperature is measured in Kelvin, Celsius or in Fahrenheit. Heat is not determined directly by an instrument, but we can measure the temperature by thermometer, which means they both work side by side, but they are totally different from each other. Let's take a quick recap what we have learned in this video. Heat is a form of energy. Anything that produces heat is a source of heat. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold an object is. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. Today's task is you have to read the chapter thoroughly, learn the meaning of the difficult words, write down the difference between heat and temperature, and draw the diagram of different types of thermometer, at least 5. You have to do this work in your school notebook with date and day and week. Do your work very neatly. Thank you.